Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do a queso dip today on the offset smoker. It's going to be really good. You can make this your own way with your own ingredients, or you can take this recipe and use it. You can remove certain ingredients from this recipe. We've got some ground beef cooking up over there already, 1 pound. So yeah, let's get to it. If you're just joining us, hit the subscribe button. For those of you that are already subscribed, thank you. Give this video a like, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're just going to brown our ground beef, season with some fresh cracked pepper, a little bit of salt, and that's it. Once this is all browned, we're going to drain the grease and get it in our pan. Alright guys, so I cut a poblano pepper in half. Took all the seeds out, and I'm going to blister this in a frying pan, and I'm going to do the same thing with these whole jalapenos. I'm going to cut the ends off, take the seeds out, and leave them whole. I'm not going to slice them in half. I'm going to blister those, and then we're going to scrape the skin off and throw that in our pan also. So check it out. Alright, so a little difficult to get the seeds out without cutting it in half, so I probably will just end up cutting these in half. Right down the middle. We're going to dice them later, so that's okay. Open them up. Take the little membranes out. Alright, here's everything thrown together in the pan. We've got 1 whole chopped white onion, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped. There's our roasted poblano pepper. Chop that up. 1 brick of cream cheese cut into cubes. 1 can of diced tomatoes. You can get Rotel. I don't have Rotel by me, so I got just regular can of diced tomatoes. Threw it in there. 1 pound of ground beef, browned and grease drained. 1 brick of Velveeta cheese. I've got a brick of Colby Jack cheese that I cubed up, and I got a wheel, Van Kaas smoked Gouda wheel, a little circle that I cut up in cubes, put that in there. And then we've got our also steamed / roasted jalapenos all diced up, chopped up back there also. So there it is. Chunky queso dip. We're gonna get this on the smoker, get it up to like 350 or 400 degrees, and just cook it until it's all mixed together and the consistency is just right. Alright, let's get cooking this. Alright guys, so we got it on the smoker. Got my Kingsford cherry briquettes going in the firebox. Gonna add some chunks of cherry on top of those. Alright, we're going to let those catch. We're going to start cooking this queso. Should only take about an hour, give or take. Temperature around 350 degrees is what we're shooting for. Maybe 375. But without further ado, let's cook this stuff. Alright, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell so you can catch future videos. This stuff is a hit at parties. If you want to make smaller batches or bigger batches, simply reduce or increase the amount of onions, bell peppers, jalapenos, the poblano, the cheese, you know. Make it your own. Make it however you want. Any ingredients you want. Make big batches, make small batches. Just increase or reduce the amount of ingredients you use. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit like. I appreciate y'all. I'll let you know what this looks like when we stir it up. Alright, ladies and germs. It's been about a half an hour. 45 minutes. Been rocking around 350, 360 the whole time. Right now it's 355. See what this looks like. Ooh. So everything's taking on some smoke and kind of melting down now. All the cheese is soft. The cream cheese brick is melted. I'm going to go ahead and start stirring this up and try to get everything mixed together best I can. And then we'll let it keep going. Alright, so we'll check back in a little bit here. Alright guys, after another hour, This stuff is done. That consistency there. Perfect. So I tasted this already and it is delicious. It's very cheesy. The 6 jalapenos provides the perfect amount of heat. It's not overpowering. The ground beef, the onions, the bell peppers all work together. It's just super delicious. So I'm gonna plate this up. I might make some nachos with this right now, actually. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, share, like. Drop a comment on what you want to see me cook, because I can do future videos for you guys. Just let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.